Okay. Group 65s. Is this the 1-ohm or the 1-ohm version?
Yeah.
Okay. What size alternator do you have with these?
CES 320.
Okay. And you're wired to 1-ohm?
Yep.
All right. Let's check it out.
At least we can leave that up.
Sure.
Yeah. And then right underneath the wall, there's a Northstar battery as well.
I see you have the little extra battery bank. Okay. You built this?
I did, yeah.
Wow, nice.
First, second wall I've ever built in my life.
Okay. So what all is equipment and specs and all of that real quick before we get a demo?
2 ZV515s on a Banda 7K. I got PWXs and the doors, cheap Cadence Tweeters, 320 in the front, 3 XS powers, and 1 Northstar. What else? Oh, and 800.4 NVX.
Okay. And it's a 6 order, so what was the rear and front tunings?
I actually took a screenshot of that just because I knew you were going to ask that.
Yeah, I like to know the tuning specs because that gives you a good variance of what kind of results you get.
The rear is 7 cubes, tuned to 27. The front is 11 cubes, tuned to 55.
55, all right. So you get really good bandwidth then, what, like 22 to 60? Around there, 20 to 60? How do you feel?
I would say play strong 25 and up.
25 and up? Okay. All right. Dude, that's windy. It really likes like the lows really well on this too.
Yeah, it's okay.
You don't think so?
I'm not 100% happy with it yet. Not just yet.
That was really good though. What was that frequency on that? Do you know that? Felt like 28 to 32 hertz really well on that one. Yep. Nice.
Yeah, 27, 48.
And this is a family vehicle, so you got your back seats.
Yeah.
That's a plus.
Temporary.
Yeah, temporary. And it's nice and sealed off, man. It looks really good. Did good work on that.
Yeah, I actually cracked. I hit a big pothole. Huge pothole. I thought I lost my tire and ended up cracking the wall around.
Yeah. low note, man. It actually doesn't, and it doesn't fall off.
Yeah.
So that's really impressive. That's the good thing about 6th orders is you don't
That's
lose
why
that
I've
low
always
bandwidth.
loved it. I've never tried a 4th order, but I've always loved the 6th orders.
That 6th order, you don't lose that slope like you do on a 4th. So
215.
215s, yeah.
Down fucking,
Z5.
yeah. Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah, that's awesome. I'm gonna have to go check out real quick. And is that all right if I get in the back seat and look?
Yeah.
This is nice. Awesome. Woo.
Sundown.
Really clean. Nice work.
Took a lot of work.
Oh, I'm sure.
My last wall was a flop.
So you had a C-pillar wall, flat wall?
It was the same type of design, but just differently. It was a little different.
Okay.
It was arrow ports.
Yeah, airports doesn't have the structure as a slotted.
After this is back to we're going B pillar. So
All right. So you're gonna go B-pillar 4,
6 order.
6th order with 4 of them.
4 of them.
Okay.
Just go buy 2 more. And
All right. Nice to meet you, man. What was your name?
it's Mario.
Mario?
Yeah.
Jacob. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.